Hello, my name is Jackie Mata. I'm a student at the Montgomery Adult School in the Culinary Arts program. I am currently studying breads, pastries, and desserts under Miss Adriana Ventura. Today in this video, I will show you how to bake blueberry muffins, a kind of quick bread. Quick breads are baked goods that use chemical leaveners like baking soda or baking powder instead of yeast. This allows them to be made quickly, no rising time needed. Quick breads have three mixing methods, namely biscuit method, muffin method, and creaming method. In baking the blueberry muffins, I will use the muffin mixing method. Let's start baking! This recipe is for 6 muffins, but I have doubled the recipe to make 12 muffins. First, preheat the oven at 400 degrees. Reduce to 375 degrees when you're ready to put the muffin pan inside the oven. Line the muffin pan with muffin liner. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In another mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, oil, milk until blended, then add the blueberries just to combine. Do not overmix. Pour the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix only until combined. And fold. Fill the muffin cups 2/3 full. If you want, you can sprinkle with demerara sugar on top, but this time I didn't do it. Bake for approximately 20 minutes or until lightly brown, and the cake tester or toothpick inserted into the center of the muffin comes out clean. And that's how you make blueberry muffins. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy!